So for this, you're going to need a clip removal. Flathead will work. An 8mm socket. A 5mm Allen key. Socket or Allen key, whatever you have. If you don't have one, hand ratchet will do. And a Phillips number 2. And here we have the bumper lights. The 2018-2019 Accords. And the jumper harness for the brake lights. Now, also you need a flat panel removal tool. If you don't, just get a flathead. These panels right here, these trim pieces are a bitch. So take off at your own risk. Onto the other side. And take your 8mm socket for the taillights. Get your 5mm Allen key for the bumper. Then we come to the side of the bumpers and take these screws off. There's a third one up in here. And a clip on the bottom of the bumper. Then you come to the other side, do the same thing. Then I'm just going to use a screw flathead so you guys can see. Or not. Fucking tweak that shit. Where's it going? And the middle of the bumper in the back, underneath the car, has 2 clips. Take them off. Just do the same thing from the other side. Just take the 2 screws, screw in here, and the clip down here. Once you do that, just pull the bumper gently. If you have a second person, even better. Alright, pull tail light off, pull out outwards. Then you want to take this little clip, push in, and it slides right out. Pull this clip, comes apart. Take your little jumper harness. Clip it in. The other side. Clips right in. Go back to the original location. Clips right in place. That harness right there will stay in place. take the screws off. The bumper lights comes right up. Take the bumper light, the new ones, fits right in place. Take the existing screws. Do not over tighten them, you will strip them out. Do the same thing to the other side. And before you put all the screws and clips, go through all the step, brakes, the lights, turn signals, hazards. And after everything works, just don't forget the clips, bolts, screws, and enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.